Hello, grade 11 students! Kumusta? I am your teacher in Earth and Life Science, Sir Jonis, na palaging nagpapaalala na huwag kang mapapagod mag-aral. Isipin mo na lang na hindi napapagod ang iyong mga magulang magtrabaho, makapag-aral ka lang. Since this is the first Asynchronous ODL or online distance learning video in our subject, I'd like first to give you some tips for you to fully understand easily the discussion in this video. First, it is much better if you use your headphone or earphone as you start watching this video for you to clearly understand the discussion. Second, have with you your pen and a notebook to jot down significant details on this video. Third, finish watching this video in one sitting. Fourth, you can watch this video several times for you to understand carefully the lesson. Fifth, you can pause this video if you want to screenshot important details or if you want to jot down notes. Lastly, I am encouraging you to please share this video to your classmates via Bluetooth or share it so that no student will be left behind. Kasi alam kong ayaw mong maiwan. Kaya, sabay-sabay tayong matuto sa kabila ng pandemyang ito. So again, let's all follow those simple tips. Therefore, at the end of this video, these are the following objectives that you are going to learn. First, define solar system. Second, differentiate terrestrial planets from Jovian planets. Third, give some facts about the Earth. Fourth, enumerate the three main reasons why there is life on Earth. And lastly, cite some ways to conserve and protect our planet, Earth. So those are the objectives that you're going to learn. So, let's start the ball rolling now. This is our solar system. What makes up our solar system? Yes, you are right. Our solar system is made up of celestial bodies. Can you identify those celestial bodies that made up our solar system? Celestial bodies includes the stars, comets, asteroids, meteors, dwarf planets, and planets. Therefore, how many planets are revolving around the sun? Yes, there are 8 planets in our solar system. And it is being categorized into 2 according to its composition, the terrestrial planets and the Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets includes the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. What are now its distinct characteristics? It is made up of rocky material, surfaces are solid, they don't have rings, has very few moons or no moons at all, and they are relatively small. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets are the Jovian planets, which includes the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Gas giants are predominantly made up of helium and hydrogen, while ice giants contain rock, ice, and mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All these 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, no solid surfaces, have supporting ring systems, and are immense in size. So again, there are 8 planets in the solar system and is divided into 2 categories depending on their composition, the terrestrial planets and the Jovian planets. If there are 8 planets in our solar system, which is the only planet which can harbor life? Yes, you are right. That is now our planet Earth. Do you know some facts about the Earth? So this time, let's know first some facts about the Earth. Earth is considered as the 3rd planet in the solar system.
It has an axis tilted 23.5 degrees, which causes seasons.
How about the exact length of a year on Earth? Do you know it? There are 365 days, 6 hours and 16 minutes in 1 year on Earth. How about the length of a day? There are 23 hours and 56 minutes in a day on Earth. That's why, if we are going to round it up, there are 24 hours in a day on Earth. Do you know the minimum weather temperature that we can experience on Earth? Yes, the minimum weather temperature that we can experience on Earth is negative 87.8 degrees Celsius, while the maximum degrees Celsius that we can experience is 57 degrees Celsius. So those are just some facts about the Earth. This time, let us now know the 3 main reasons why there is life on Earth. So these are now the 3 main reasons why there is life on Earth. First is the liquid water, the second is the heat source, and the third one is the presence of the atmosphere. So let's start with the liquid water. Why is water on Earth maintained on its liquid state? Can you guess why? Going back in our solar system, the water is maintained on its liquid state because of its location. Earth's location is said to be on the Goldilocks zone or habitable zone, for it is not so near from the sun that it can be converted into gas, and not even so far from the sun which can be converted into ice. Therefore, the location of the Earth is just enough to maintain its water on liquid state. There are 2 possible sources of water on Earth. The first one is volcanism. During volcanic eruption, volcanoes releases huge amount of gases as well as large amount of water. The second one is icy meteor. Philosophers believed long time ago when icy meteors bombarded the Earth, it was turned into water. The second main reason is the heat source. What do you think is the main source of heat in our planet Earth? Can you guess? Yes, it comes from the sun, which is located at the center of our solar system, and it is where the 8 planets are revolving. There are actually 2 main sources of heat on Earth. First is external heating coming from the sun. If sun is the first heat source, what is the second heat source? It comes from the internal heating of the Earth. If this is now the layers of the Earth, what layer heat is being produced? Very good. The internal heating of Earth comes from the innermost layer of the Earth, which is the inner core. Let's now proceed to the last reason why there is life on Earth, and that is the presence of the atmosphere. What is therefore an atmosphere? What makes up an atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds our Earth. Earth's atmosphere includes the following: the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the thermosphere. So you will know the function of each layer on our next lesson in Earth and Life Science. So again, those are the 3 main reasons why there is life on Earth. So this time, let me check your learnings. Can you still enumerate again the 3 main reasons why there is life on Earth? You're right. Those are the liquid water, the heat source, and the atmosphere. This time, in order for us to conserve and protect our Mother Earth, what should we do? So these are just some things that we should do in order to save our planet Earth. First is, avoid burning plastics. Avoid cutting trees. Plant more trees instead. Number 3, practice proper waste segregation. And the last one, we should practice the 5 R's. The reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and repurpose. Therefore, let's all bear this in our mind that this is where we live. Why are we hurting our home? Live on Earth, love on our Earth, love on our Earth. This is the only one we have. Save it. So again, I am Sir Johnny's saying thank you for watching this video. Till our next video presentation. Goodbye!